Now let's start by looking at the function mark task done. This function allow us to mark as a specific task as completed. So here's the code snippet. Just before that, we just need to mark task done, and here we will simply scanner star for the view dot scanner. So basically, first we need to print enter task ID. Mark as done. Scan. Then afterwards, we will simply convert this ID into strings. Then afterwards, for loop I range. Before that, I just need to start my counting session. So here it is for tasks, and then afterwards, if empty print have. So basically, this function printf actually it is taking the ID, and then afterwards it is a mark it as a done, and then simply return. Then afterwards, fmt dot, if it is not found the ID, then it will simply return the task not found. Then afterwards, we will simply write the function delete task, and inside the task we will simply enter the ID to delete. Enter task ID to delete. Scanner dot scan. Then afterwards we will simply strings. Okay, now for loop I range of task, and simply we can print our ID and comparing ID. Then afterwards task append. So basically it will append the task just before the what is this task append. So basically append function to remove the task by slicing around it. This ensures that our task list stays updated. Confirmation message is printed if the no task is found. Otherwise, we will notify the user delete the task. So basically append function is remove the task by slicing around it. So suppose basically um, so suppose we have a certain kind of a task A, B, C, D, and here we need to delete the index of 1. B value we just need to remove. Then task of I basically indicates that task of colon of I in the brackets, it is indicating that first element it is selected, and task of I plus 1 and colon, it is indicated that C and D selected but B is skipping. So here it will append this one things, and three dot operators is the actually expand the second slice so that it is elements are appended individually rather than the nested slice. So here basically what you have to do is task of I just before I, it is a selecting the elements, and then afterwards task of I plus 1 colon, and then afterwards three dot operators. So it will remove the particular task by matching ID with using of index. Then afterwards fmt print f percentage d deleted slash and then afterwards task of id, and it will simply return. And if there is no id is found, then fmt print ln task not found. So all of the functions are ready, I think. Only we just need to display our messages. For that, we actually created one function which is called the show help. So this is called show help function. We need to define here function show help. Then afterwards, basically, this will actually shows the all the messages like available commands, and then afterwards add a new task, list all tasks, done, mark task as a done, delete the task. Then afterwards helping help function we have created to show the available commands, I think. So yes, it is showing all the commands. Then afterwards exit. So basically exit actually exiting from the app. Now what you have to do is inside the to do app, I think once again we just need to enter in the to do app, then afterwards go run main dot go. So it will basically run our app. So I think somewhere we are missing something. In the main.go 110 line. Okay, this one is not correct. Once again, we will run this command and see what is happening. I think here we will actually be actually printing mistake. So we just need to go with that line. 48 number 48 Okay, it is called the print panel. Once again we will run this app. Okay, now it is gone. Then afterwards 62 number line, 62 number line, here we just need to return, we just need to eat. Then afterwards we will have a 65 number line. So here it is showing the task undefined. So here we will make some mistake tasks. Then afterwards once again we will run this app. So here it is a task ID. So here we need to update it. Then afterwards scanner dot scan undefined. Okay, the 8 number line. So basically this is the capital ones, and then afterwards scan, and then afterwards 110 number lines. It is showing that invalid operation cannot slice the task. So basically what you have to do is under 10 number line task append tasks of I, task of I plus 1 colon and 3 dots. So basically here what you have to do is so here it is a by mistake, it is tasks we need to do, and then afterwards once again we run this app. Now we will add the new task. So first of all, I need to add the new task. So what is the title name? So add to do. Okay, so it will create it with the task ID 1. Then afterwards, once again we will need to see the list of that to-do list that you have created. So here it is showing the add to do as a pending status. Now once again we will add one more to do, which is called the add new to do. So here I have created one more to do, add new to do. It is showing that invalid command. Why? Because we do not have we do not actually entering the operation of that command. So first we need to add the command. So here I have added add, and then afterwards once again I am actually adding this one, add new to do. So here it is a task added with the ID number 2. Now we will display the list of that to do. So here I have status of that to do, which is pending status. Now I'm updating the second number to do with the status of mark as a done. So what we have to do is we just need to enter the done command, done. So which here I just need to add the task ID. So this is the task ID. So I am entering 2. So here it is showing that task 2 mark as a done. Now once again I am displaying the list. So here you can see it is showing the status of that add new to do as a done. Now once again I just need to delete first one to do. So I am just entering the delete command. So I am just entering the delete. Which one task ID we just need to delete. So first, now once again we will display the list. So here you can see first one task it is deleted. Now once again I need some help, so I am entering the help. So here it is showing all the available commands, and when I'm entering the exit, it is from the exiting to do app. So this is how we actually created the to do app. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. And comment below if you have any question or ideas for the future videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.